Transparency effects in Windows 11. How to enable or disable them. Transparency has increased the attractiveness of the Windows operating system series. If you want to enable or disable the Windows and Surface transparency effects in Windows 11, please follow the steps in this video. In Windows 11, transparency effects are enabled by default. Transparency effects in Windows 11 can be turned off or disabled. The following is the technique for enabling or disabling transparency effects in Windows settings. Right-click the Start button and pick Settings from the menu that appears. Select Personalization from the list on the left. In the right-hand window, select Colors. There is an option for transparency effects here, with a toggle button to enable or disable it. Disabling the transparency effects has the advantage of improving system performance. It is best to disable the transparency effects on a PC with limited RAM. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.